questions you don't know, don't worry in the final paper, because everyone here there would be on the same page as well. Everyone would be at the same page. So make sure that whatever you know, try to fit it into those answers. Don't leave answers blank. Try to fit it into the subheadings of the question that are being asked to the best of your ability. Be confident when you're writing those answers, at least when you're writing them. Don't be confident, don't be overconfident when you're analyzing your answers. Make sure that confidence is only when you're writing the answers, but when you're analyzing and there's the space for improvement, make sure that you constantly improve based on the feedback that you're getting. Overall, identify, so for example, if there is a certain comparison that you need to do between A and B, and it's given clearly in the question, see if you can make a table for that. See if you can do something different for that. If there's a small part of the question which is not the main part, try to say, for example, the advantages of certain thing, and it's not a major part of the question. Try to like answer it through this, right? If there's a comparison, try to say, use this to sort of save space, where say if you're talking about moderates and extremists, then say talk about in terms of method this, or aims something else, right? So try to keep innovating in terms of how you're answering these questions, and identify certain key terms for each paper which you can use in the end. Say SDG, say $5 trillion economy, say Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, ethical good governance, idea of New India, Asia of tomorrow. So these things I think can help you in writing better answers, and I think this was mainly it. And only I think these are things that I personally tried to follow, and I tried to personally cultivate before my mains answer writing. I hope some of it helped all of you, and try to incorporate only those parts which you think you can and which you think will help you. If you think there are certain things which do not match your style and it's only inhibiting you, it's not helping you write good answers, leave those parts out. But whatever I think you could incorporate from today's session, I hope you did, and I hope all of you would implement it in some way in the future. All the very best for all your endeavors. Thank you.